All right, this is a deep dive into the event-driven architecture with the publisher-subscriber pattern, and we're going to cover a little bit of A2A protocol, at least the parts that I've implemented for this hack. So let's talk about the components here. We've got the browser, we have the web app, which is used interchangeably here with the chat agent because of the way that web app integrates the chainlet uh, application inside an iframe. And we've got the pub sub, which is actually also backed by Kafka, but we're just going to talk about pub sub here. And builder agent and any other agent is represented by builder agent here. So let's go over the flow. The app starts and subscribes to pub sub. All the agents are started by Docker Compose, and pub sub and Kafka are also started by Docker Compose. And so once the agents start, they subscribe to the topics that they need to listen to. And once all the subscriptions are done, we can open the browser and establish a session over WebSockets to our web app. Then the user starts interacting with the chat, and each message is then published to the PubSub topic for chat. We're going to go over the individual topics a little bit later. But just to see this flow one time here, and then we'll go over the topics. So the pub sub then pushes the task request to the builder agent. The builder agent then sends its response to pub sub, and anybody who's listening on that topic will get its own event. In this case, let's say it's an event that requests more information from the user. So web app will receive it and say, oh, more user input is required, and will present the message from the builder to the user, and then in chat. And then the user interacts with chat some more, and the message goes in here into pub subtopic, gets sent to the builder agent, and then the builder agent decides to publish its spec and publishes to another topic that doesn't go to chat. All right, let's look at the topics, individual topics here. So the chat agent publishes tasks to the chat agent topic that then goes to the builder agent. The builder agent, if it has questions, will ask questions on ask chat agent topic, and it'll come back here. The user then responds. It goes back to the builder agent. The builder agent then, when it's done and ready to move on, will publish its spec to builder agent topic. The generator agent is listening on that builder agent topic, and once it starts generating HTML, starts streaming its task responses to the generator agent topic. And then the web app will listen to the generator agent topic and start streaming the output into the iframe on the front end. So this part is not implemented because I didn't run into any use cases where the generator agent would not support something and need to ask questions from the builder to redo the spec. So this part is not implemented in this hack. But one thing to keep in mind is one of the benefits of this PubSub approach versus having a direct socket between the agents, which is in the example for the A2A protocol from Google. They use the WebSocket connection between agents to send JSON RPC. By using Kafka, I have more decoupled agents. They're going to be a little bit slower because of the overhead of the PubSub, but it supports more asynchronous approaches to communication. And I'm actually leveraging that approach when the generator agent needs to generate images. It will actually call a generator. Let me see if I have that here. It will actually call the image generation tool. And then the image generation tool, I have the sequence diagram here. Sorry if I'm jumping around, but all right, let's look into this one. That one is too busy for the purpose of what I'm about to say. So the image generation tool will start generating the images requested by the generator agent while the generator agent is streaming its own HTML. So those two are happening at the same time. When it's done, it's going to publish its image to the same generator topic so that it's part of the website generation. And then the web app will stitch those together. The images coming in asynchronously. So, and that's another benefit of having kind of a multiple to multiple is the generator doesn't need to know everybody who's listening on generator agent topic. And there are actually the web app is listening to provide status, and the web app is listening on every topic that's implemented to provide status updates, but also to fill in the iframes and provide the interactivity with the chat. So basically allows one to many and then many back to one asynchronous communication of agents, web apps, and different tools. All right, so I happen to think this is a little bit cooler than the example Google provided for their A2A protocol.